So right here towards the front of the microwave, these are the only two bolts you have to remove. This one here, and on the other side. Hold in pressure, and take them out the rest of the way. Make sure they're out. And now I'm gonna tip the front down, and then I'm gonna lift the back off of the bracket. Now we're gonna take the old bracket out. Now I'm gonna get this all prepared underneath the cabinet for my vent. So on the new microwave, we have where the bolts go right here. You can see when I pull this up, this metal is very thin. So I'm gonna cut a 4" by 4" block for both sides so that it will have something to tighten to. Other side. Now we're gonna center this between the cabinets. I'm gonna mark the recommended locations here. The bracket is installed on here already. So I'm gonna hook on the bottom, and up to the top is just about 16 3/8. To the bottom of the cabinet, 16 3/8. Take these screws out. I don't need those. I'm just gonna tilt it up. I'm gonna mark center. I always recommend trying to vent it out of your house if you can, and always before you install it, make sure that the motor is in the right place. This will slide out this way. To vent it through the top, you gotta go this way. And then drop it in like this. And I put this on top here. We are gonna line it up here. There you go. Bring this in nice and even at an angle. Make sure I drop down on the bracket. Now that it's hooked in, I can grab my cord through here. Hopefully I have a nice giant opening and hold it tight like this. Attempt to get these bolts in. It might be a little tricky to find where the hole is here. And then this side, should kind of feel it drop in. There we go. Let's just pop it in place. This cord go over here. But hopefully if you needed to do this, this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.